Hey, listen, I just didn't know what it was. All right, y'all, we're gonna check out the boys watching. We got a white cat already on the building. It's in 4K. English subs is on. We are live on Twitch. In 3, 2, 1, let's get it. All right, kitty cat, what you doing with this? Damn, he all up in this. Whoa.
Watch it.
Wait, watch what? You playing with that kitty? Oh shit, this start sounds vague already. Okay, we watching now, shit. Oh, y'all like a cat? For the LOB. You can't be just kicking your feet with these trophies in your hand. But you know what? I would be doing the same thing if I got that many trophies. Look at them kicking feet. Without you. Not me, like I know the song. I'm just reading the lyrics. Ooh, that's a fire shot. Oh, so pretty. Okay, okay. Hold up. Oh, here you out. So critical. Oh, they in their bag. They always been, but. Ooh, but this bedazzled helmet. Yeah, he is hot right there. I mean, like he looks like he's using a fan to be hot. You know? Okay, first of all, they did not have to come here and just kill everybody like that. Look at that. He just glided in there. Hi. Hey, 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 hey. Whisper your desires. What the? Without you. Oh, they on one, bro. What? No, this can't be happening. They literally crotch grabbing, y'all. Well, at least not all of them are, but some are. Oh, they playing, bro. Ooh. Ooh, I love the switch up. What the hell? Ooh. Hey, yo, who is that? Who is that? Who sung that? Who you heard that? Ooh, Jacob? Jacob in the building? Was that Jacob? God damn. You better play. Oh, this is fire. This is so dope. This is so dope. Woo! With all the dancing in the background too. Oh no, they on their fuckboy shit, bro. I fucking love it. I love it. I love that. No, wait, hold up. Go back. My God. Whose manly ass hands was that? Those some manly ass hands. Damn. Oh, they some nice ass hands. Look at them fingernails. Taken care of.
Watch it.
Bro. Bruh. Big dance crew recently in MV. I like that. I like that they add big dance crews in the MVs. Cause it just adds more to like the epicness, especially when you're trying to add that epicness. I like this a lot. Like especially this part. Where is he? When they were like gliding through while talking or sing rapping. I think it's this. Right here, right here. Oh, that shit clean. That shit clean. The last time we did a F-Boy concept was Steeler though. I mean, you're right, but it's nice to see again. Hold up. It's like it's like the whole music video concept is like, yeah, we're doing these jobs like packaging. They sending us the packages. They're sending their what are they? What is this? But anyways, like they know they're hot. What am I doing? What was this? What was I? What was the narrative of my what? I don't even know what I was talking about. What was the basis of what I was talking about? Bro, it got me stumbling and shit. What is words, bro? Anyways, I want to talk about the huge dance crews. I think this change up is really fire. This right here, fire. Hey, hey. Let's go, the boys. Let's go, the boys. We out here. Woo! Iconic, amazing. They did their thing. The boys, everybody. The boys, everybody. Clap it up for the boys. Everybody, clap it up for the boys. Yes! Keep on going! Keep on going! But yeah, shout out to the boys. Y'all killed that shit. Anyways, moving on to the next video.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.